is back with Savory Sol and the fam and keep on cooking. And we have a seafood ball today. So happy Wednesday. So without further ado, Father God, whom is in heaven, thank you for the wonderful food you've allowed to be on our dinner table, dear God. Please bless the food, let it be nourishing to our bodies, and please help anyone that's without. In the name of Jesus, amen. All right, guys, so what are you guys eating today? I'm so hungry. I'm got to get in, y'all. I'm going to start with this guy here. Going in for the claw. The first one, y'all. I had a taste for this. Ooh. Let's see. We got some nice size one, y'all. Like I said, that new place has not let us down as of yet. Trying to get you guys a glimpse of them. All right. So happy Wednesday, y'all. And what we have here is snow crab, blue crab, a little king crab, shrimp, crawfish, corn, potatoes, eggs, and sausages, and our cucumbers, y'all. I did bring those back. Those were amazing. And we have some lemon and lime. All right, guys. So let's get some of that on there. Ooh. Take that first bite, guys. Ooh. Look at that ginger. Y'all, this was calling my name. Yes, it was. Y'all, it's the middle of the week. Woo. I feel like it's the end of the week. And I do have some, again, the pineapple. Yeah, no, grape and cranberry. Which is so good, y'all. That is good. Woo. So again, happy hump day. Hopefully everybody is well and doing good. Before we go any further, please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell button so you are notified when we are uploading new content. Y'all, I told y'all this is my go-to. Having a long day. It's just so rewarding, y'all. And Lord knows I was hungry for this. Ooh. So I got some eggs on here. I do have a little egg, y'all. I'm going in with eggs, speaking of. Y'all, turns out those Persian cucumbers are so good. Y'all, look at all that onion and that sauce and stuff. Y'all, I'm pretty hungry today. So, just to let you know, I brought my appetite. Yeah, I can't wait to get back from work to get this. What was that? Like, I know what's gonna do the trick. My seafood bowl. Look at there, y'all. Me coming out whole. I'm going back in with that sauce. There's my lemon. Let me get them on there. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this stuff is so refreshing and just, I got a lot of big pieces of ginger and onion in here. What are you guys eating today? Comment down below. What's your go-to food? You're having a long day. Thank God it's the middle of the week. About to finish it up. Woo. Couple more days, y'all. For those of y'all that don't work on the weekend or are just looking for the weekend, this is a couple more days out. Y'all know with these crab videos, like I said, they be a little longer. And it takes a little time because you be trying to get all your meat out of there. It's an expensive meal, y'all. Go on with a cucumber, y'all. We got the red potatoes, y'all. Y'all already know what I'm about to make. Potato volcano. But before I do, let me get in with this corn. Y'all gotta get that bite there, boy. Ooh, look at all that seasoning. Take a bite. Y'all, I was so hungry. I said I could barely wait to get to this meal today. I hardly wanted anything else besides this crab, boy, or seafood, boy. Then I had a taste for the mussels, y'all, but I said I was so hungry. Look at there. Don't you love when that crab meat comes all the way out whole? Y'all, I almost forgot I'm building me a potato volcano here. But I'm going to take this piece, y'all. I don't know what it is, y'all. I just can't get enough of this seafood, y'all. Look at there, y'all. Look at all that good seasoning. Whoo, my goodness. Gotta go in with it, y'all. Ooh. It's that lemon. I have lime too, y'all. I like to mix them up, especially when they both are in season. Looks like I'm gonna do fried meat and looks like a shrimp on my my potato volcano, y'all. Oh, y'all, I was so hungry today. I almost couldn't wait for this. Find me a piece of sausage. Let's get everything up there. Ooh. Look at that bite, y'all. Sausage, shrimp, and snow crab. Let's get that sauce up there. Dip him all the way in, y'all. My sauce isn't right here in front because, ooh, look at all that, y'all. Take that bite. Now. I tell y'all, I am so hungry. Shout out and step in charge for that. Who'd have thunk it, y'all? And it tastes good, y'all. It just never gets boring. And people that love seafood, Ooh. I'm about to say, I know I didn't come on here without no napkins, y'all. Napkin roll there, but just making sure, cause this thing can get messy. I don't know what it is, y'all, but I am extremely hungry today. I guess you know how you be anticipating a meal. But this time, my appetite did not leave. And thank goodness it didn't. Look at that, y'all. Right on out. A little piece out of there, y'all. So hopefully everybody is having a great Wednesday. Take a bite. Look at there. Look there. Y'all. These ain't the normal size shrimp we normally get, y'all. But I think I didn't see you pick these up from Sam's or either. I think it was Sam's. Or Costco's. I could be wrong, y'all. Don't quote me on it. But we sometimes like to get these because they're already deveined and you don't have to do that step. But if, like I said, if you're looking for that fresh taste, you may want to get you some fresh shrimp, not the frozen ones. And then, like I said, the size on them are a little bit more. You can, go with the tiger shrimps or whatnot. Not a potato volcano. This one is the shrimp and sausage, y'all. Going in. Yeah. But again, they're okay. I'm getting that top piece off, y'all. Be the joint piece, I guess. They're okay if you're you don't mind skipping the cleaning part, or some people leave them in. Leave that part in and don't bother them. Ooh, yeah, look there. Some of that seasoning off there, y'all. So good. There's that egg, y'all. Thank you, Tama. This always truly makes me happy, y'all. Especially after a long day. This one, y'all. Yes. These guys seem to be coming right out, y'all. Like I said, if you have them coming right out, they have really been cooked to perfection, y'all. Ooh, my goodness, y'all. Got that good seasoning down on there, y'all. Whew. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. You just can't go wrong with this stuff, y'all. This makes my day every time, y'all. Oh, look at that. I'm coming right out, y'all. Mm, 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 mm. Ooh. Don't worry. Look there, y'all. Those clouds are nice size. Y'all, I haven't touched a regular butter size today. Let me try that guy. The butter sauce does something for those snow crabs, y'all. Woo. I was to say, don't worry, because I'm just the first home, and a fam bam will be in, and they'll be glad to see what I haven't eaten here. Did you say, Manny? Yes, I did. But I'm going to eat until my stomach says I am full, and kind of go from there. That's why I said with these balls, y'all, it's always good to put the your sides with it, whatever you like, because, excuse me, y'all, it helps you get full. I mean, whatever seafood you like. That is so good, y'all. Yeah, I know I had to get all my meat up out of there. And this one broke, so. Okay, we got Amelia. There he is. I get excited, y'all. Ooh, and that claw mint is so sweet, y'all. I'm saying a piece of that. I mean, I absolutely can just eat these with no sauce, no butter, or anything. It's just so sweet and good. Yeah, I don't even need it. Just the flavor of the crab is so good. All right, let's get this guy built. Shrimp. I'll pull the shell off of this one, y'all, because I'm ready to go ahead and get this one in. Ooh, my goodness. What a way to finish off Wednesday, y'all. I've been out there working hard, getting it in. Just the idea of knowing you got a good treat to come home to. Oh, my gosh, y'all. This works for me every time. I have to tell myself that. Look at that. Shrimp, claw meat, and sausage. Let me get my... Ooh, yeah, I got a good dunk then. Woo. Get this guy on there, that lemon. Ooh, look at all that lemon. Yum. I know I'm going fast. I almost bit my lip, y'all. Oh, goodness, y'all. So, again, what are you guys' go-to food? Like, you're having a day, and it cheers you up no matter what. I'm like, oh, at least I got my seafood to get back to. George is out in the room. And that'd be the other part of this if you can't get that meat out. whole, then you'll be cutting and picking, and it takes a little bit longer. But it sure is worth it once you've done that part of it. I don't know, y'all. These snow crabs are giving me something today. They are doing the trick. So I wasn't for sure if I wanted just the snow crabs or my blue crabs, but y'all know how much or how I feel about my blue crabs that watch this channel. Once again, thanks to everybody that's already subscribed and the new subscribers. Welcome aboard. Thank you guys for coming aboard and supporting the channel. We can't say thank you enough. Oh, my goodness. But I know I said on that last video that I'd be calling those 3 names out. But I'm just gonna, like I said, just because I just not too long got in from work and really wanted to eat. So we haven't had a chance to do so. Although I've been checking them out, it's just I don't want to get the names wrong. I can try. But I think one of the, oh yeah, I lost my shrimp in there. Come on now. There he is. I was like, come on, all that work. Oh my goodness. All right, let's get some lemon in here. I tried the lime today. Yeah, I keep going for these because I am so hungry. Those potato volcanoes, and they seem to do the trick. Take a bite. We got the shrimp. Y'all know I don't have no sausage in here. Wait. Okay, now I know something was missing. All right, let's go back with some lemon. Okay, there we go. Take that bite. Snow crab, shrimp, and sausage. Even though that little piece came out, but I have a little bit of piece in here, y'all. It's all about my meat, y'all. Y'all, absolutely delicious. Ooh. This is hitting the spot, y'all. All right, guys. Take a little adjustment there. So I was saying, comment down below. What are you guys' go-to food? After a long day or middle of the week, and just something you got at home or you can pick up and bring home. And y'all, the sweetness of this crab meat. This is so good today, y'all. I love it when I have it taste, y'all. Oh, excuse me. Went down the wrong pipe, y'all. Give me one more here. Like I said, I know seafood does it for me, y'all. It has for a long, long time. So I know I can look forward to this. Nothing can differ a partner. But there. I changed my mind on it, y'all. No, I just enjoy it so much, y'all. I think I'm gonna put a little piece of that king crab up there. See what she's giving. All right, there we go. Like I said, guys, I had a taste for the mussels, but I was so hungry. Kind of wanted this now. Get him out of there. It's not coming out whole. Oh, that's that piece everybody don't want. Call it a fat, but at the same time, excuse me, y'all. All right, y'all. Didn't want to be choking up over here. That sauce, and it's very mild. It's not spicy, so I wasn't really in mood for the spicy. Oh, let's see. I'm gonna do king crab, snow crab, and shrimp and sausage, y'all. But yeah, I got this in my hair. Yeah, so to say this, don't worry about it. Shouts out to KC Connections. It's a don't worry about it one, y'all. Ooh, look at all that, y'all. Gotta get down in there. Ooh. I know I didn't lose my sausage in there. Oh my goodness. Gotta go back with that one, y'all. This one I want a hole. Ooh, everything just falling off. This was too big, y'all. Let's see if we can get it. Take that bite. Sausage, shrimp, snow crab, and king crab. Yeah, this is so good. I know this is gonna put me to sleep after this, y'all. Try to get a nap in. And sometimes it's really hard for me to nap because it's almost like it makes you wake up early, way earlier, and then your alarm goes off in the morning. But for some reason, I haven't sleeping though. I should finish one of these. All right, guys. I don't want the camera to cut off on you guys, so I'm gonna continue to eat here. If you haven't already, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Share Tell a friend, tell another friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell another friend. What we're doing over here. And again, thank you to you all that has subscribed and been subscribing and supporting the channel. And we'll see you guys soon with another video. And as we always say, it's Savory Sol and the fam. See you guys soon. Deuces.